YouTube channel, guys. Today we are going to talk about how to use Canva and the basic tools in this Canva. If this is the first time you're coming across my channel, do it to subscribe to my channel. I talk about updates that are paying and also digital skills to excel in this digital space. Today we are going to talk about the basic tools we need to know in this Canva. So when you open your Canva, you are going to register an account, or for iPhone users you can easily go and use the site if you can't download it. You understand? So this is my Canva. Shows some templates that you're going to use to create a design. Those are some of the templates I'm going to use to create some design. Down here we have home. Okay, here in this home you're going to get designs. This is, as you can see, my YouTube channel. This is where I designed my intro. Okay, this is it. Here's where I designed my intro to my YouTube channel. Intro you saw while watching this video. Then this is something like the templates for social media. Okay, here it's going to show you how it looks like, your Instagram post, all this kind of post. You can edit it to your own choice. Remember, I'm showing you the basic tools. Then next video we are going to talk about how to do these things, design it. Here we have the you also have the photo editor when you can edit your photo. Okay, I can allow access, but I don't want to edit. You can edit your videos, your email, your sheet, your presentation for all these online tutorials. All those people making online video teaching people. This is where you can design your presentation. Okay, here your document, you can design your document here. Whiteboard, also for teaching, something like that. You're gonna design all those things. We also have a website here. So that's it. This is what we have up here. Down here we have home. That's where you get the design we made the last time is still here. The design we made the last time is still here. These are some of the design I have made using Canva templates. Then we come to your project here. You're going to see your projects. Okay, that one comprises your design and some of the templates in Canva. If you come to templates, you're going to get so many templates you need to use in making some designs. Okay, so that's it, some templates. This one is for people that have pro version of Canva, but it is not necessary at this time because we are getting to know it, and you can make good design using the basic tools. You must not use the pro version to make a good design. So we are going to come back to this home. Let me show you something. If you want to make a design and you don't want to use a template, you want to create from scratch, you're going to click this plus sign down here. You're going to click it. Okay, you're going to click for you here. You now click custom size. Okay, let me use size for Instagram post. That's 1000 by 1000 pixel. Great design. It's going to bring out a working space for us. As you can see, guys, this is the working space, and in this working space I'm going to explain some basic tools that we're going to use in making our work easy. So it's asking us to choose a template. Here you can choose a template, but I don't want templates. I just want my working space. As you can see, you have designs where you can input a template. Alright, let me go to this design and show you something. Imagine if you want to you have chose your work and the height you need. So you now need something like, let me say this logo. Let me just input this logo. It's going to fit in to it. You understand? I can also delete it. Let me add another one. You'll see what I mean. Like this one now. I'm looking for a design. Let me just put this one. You see, it fits the working space perfectly. is not cropped any part. So that's what we'll be using this working space to do. Next one you're going to enter in is the elements. Elements, you're going to get some elements you need for design. Sometimes you need something like line. Understand? I'm going to delete this working space first. I'll see you understand what I mean. Okay, I'll come to this element. I'll choose this line, as you can see. So it's this line, it should be dark first. This line should be black in color. Even if it's not black, I think it's because it's small. Let me check color. Yeah, okay, it's white. So there are some design that you will see something like line. So this is where we get it. It is on this element. You're going to get this kind of thing. Something like colors, something like call, WhatsApp, message, hearts, understand? This kind of things. You can get circle. You can increase it by drawing this thing back. Okay, you can increase it, then that's it. If I also want to delete it, I can delete it here. If I want to crop it or if I want to duplicate it, I can click here. As you can see, I have a duplicate form. If I click this small arrow here, let me show you what I click. You see these 3 dots up here? Let me show you the features it has here. Here you can duplicate, you can copy style, you can lock it if you don't want it to shift while doing your work, while designing your work. You can lock it so that it's not going to shift. Alternative text, showing elements to remain. You're going to see all these things. Let me lock it and show you. As you can see, as I'm shifting it, is not shifting, but if I shift this one, you can see it's shifting, but if I shift this one, it is not shifting. So that is it. That's what I'm using this thing for. For text, you can see here, you can add your heading, you can add subheading, you can add a little bit of text. Something like heading is big. Okay, this is it. You can also add color to your heading. As you can see, this is my color. You can choose any color you need from here. You can choose any color, but if there is a color you need that is not here, you can use this color pen to trace it. You see this place that is circle, you are going to click it. A big color picker, click it. As you can see, it has any type of color you want to pick. But if still you don't get it, you need something like a particular color from a design you saw and you downloaded it, just upload. Let me just show you now. You click this pencil here. Okay, this color picker will now come here. I don't know, let me just show you an example of what I mean. Imagine if I want to make a design, okay, and the color is not here, or I can't get the color perfectly. So I'm going to get the design copy and paste it in the front of what I'm working at, and then I use this color picker and pick a color in the center. You can see. Okay, I think I can even pick this color outside. I think no. So it is the color that is within this my working space that I can pick. So that's how this color picker works. I'll still explain more. I click done, cancel. That's here. You can choose you can make it the kind of view you want to make. If you want to make it slant, if you want to make it to have line, that if you want it to be like cancelled. Okay, so that's it here. And the next one we have is coloring. You can upload your I think the next one we have is text. Alright, we have talked about text. We have gallery here. You can upload images from your gallery. Okay, you can upload images from your gallery and work on, like, let me say for instance this. I can add this to my page. If if I'm working on something like a design, I can also crop it. You see? So that is it. You can add this thing. So let me show you what I mean by the color picker. Imagine if I want the color of this circle to be the color of this top here. I'll come to color here. Right. I'll come to color. Let me choose this one. I'll come to my color picker. I'll choose this. I'll now use this color picker and pick a color. You see, it's now the color. You understand? So you understand how to use this color picker. That's how to use it. So we are here in our gallery. We can upload something in our gallery. This is our gallery. This is uploads. Everything we have uploaded in this Canva appears in this uploads. Come to our tools here where you can draw. Okay, you choose the pencil size you need. So this is it, where you can do all these things. You come to projects here. You're going to see the work you have done. You come to apps. You come to apps. This is what I have for you. So I want to talk about something. We still talk about how to do this speed painting. You're going to see how it works. Speed painting. I really like this speed painting. We're going to talk about it next time. You know, we're saying introduction. I'll show you how to do speed painting. Many people use it for content. Choose your duration, choose everything. You're going to talk about it, and I really love this speed painting. To show you something, I want to show you guys something. This place we can animate this thing. Okay, you can animate it. You see how it appeared for these people making design. You see, animating it. As you can see here again, we can make transparency. Let me choose another thing. Transparency. You can choose a lot of things. You can change the shape. You can edit it here. You can change the color. You can change the style. Make it to be corner. Curve it. Change the font. It has a lot of fonts here. You can change the font. You can change the text style, the font size. You can increase or decrease it here. The color, the view formats, we talked about it. Advance it. Animation, transparency. If you want it not to be that transparent, you can reduce the transparency. Okay, this is it. You can add layers to it. Add more layers to it. Okay. You can make the position something like, if you're working on something like, if you want it to be backward, I can move it to the backward. Okay, let me just take this thing for a second. Let me turn this. Move to the back. You see, I've moved the text to the back. If I want it to be in the front, I can move it to the front. I can align it. I can align it anywhere I want it to be. This is how to make design. This thing, you are being creative. This one, if the text, I like using this kind of tool. If the text is too small, that my hand might not actually get what I want, I can use this. I can use this kind of, and move it up or backward. So it depends. So I think that's all we're going to talk about this video. We are talking about the basic tools we need to know about Canva. The next we're going to talk about is the basic tools we need to know about Pixar Lab, and from then we start designing properly. Understand we are still doing the introduction. If you missed the first class we have already done, please go to the playlist and watch it, because I'm taking this graphic designing class to the end. We are still in introduction. So if this video is really helpful to you, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is the only way you are going to support me. This is something people are paying for, but I'm giving it for free in this channel, and I'm also dropping other updates which you are going to earn in this internet space. Please do wait to subscribe to my channel. Also share to your loved ones so I can also learn. Comment the first design you want me to do, the first design you want me to design. Comment it on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye.